nthihi huna vhathu vha no dzhena kereke hafha vhaṅwe vha khou dzhena vha sa i founi vhaṅwe vha khou dzhena ngo fanelwa nga uniform uniform i sa vhafaneli ya vha i kerekeni a thi mufunzi ndo tou bikwa nda zwifhio zwa vhafunzi zwino vhathu vhoṱhe vha no vha nyago vhona tsheo kha vhaimi vha muvhone kholo lukamba longo vhona tsheo a vhaimi tshipimbi tshi kundisa zwithu zwino zwithu zwine zwa vhela zwiitiwa mulandu phanḓa mudzimu ndi u konḓelela zwithu zwine zwa vhela asi zwini na mudzimu a nyagi ezwo mudzimu a nyagi muthu ane a khou konḓelela muthu a tshi khou khala nṋe ndi a vhafha na vhona ndi matshakatshaka ti khou hana zwino mudzimu uri zwi sa korokululeiho zwine a zwi khakhululei please tambani ngazwo arali muthu a khou ḓivhona a khou tshimbila nga mana muthu awe korani hu na zwithu zwa vha thuni nṋe ndi vhona ndi pfi bundu ngori ḽe tshikondoni hu na vhathu vha vha mabundu nga hafho kha phanḓa hu na vhathu vha bondeaho hafho hu na vhathu vha vha na mivhala ine ya vhona ndi mitswu a i korokolulei please ni songo ḓi hwesa muhwalo wo ḓi ita ungari hezwo zwine zwa khou itisa zwezwo ndi zwine na khou pfha ungari ela muthu ivivomivimo.
And in our homicide, Celebia Venda, one of the best to ever do it. Hip hop's finest.
Hey, what's up, Nirmina?
Ndishapunga manda thoma ningo vhaḓivhadza zwo ri ri gai, you know, ri khou ita mini pano.
Okay, I wrote the comedy show, Almost Famous Mr. Majo, that's my boy. On Bizordi Depano, and I was very impressed about two about general stage in Namusi Badina. And about my Venda over that are batting and go up. So it's not going to groove you, I think we're waiting for the headline or something. We'll go deeper blind.
How's the night for you up to so far, and who has made it for you, if there's anyone who has done that?
The night is very dope. My favorite is the MC. Mr. Majo is my boy. Everybody is dope, but my boy is number one, man. Almost famous, you know.
Mr. Majo's too talented, eh? He's rocking. He's got that natural flair. Hey,
Bojo, over blind, man. People love Bojo. Watch the stage. I actually took a video. The crowd went crazy. Joe. The celebrity able to Venda or Tangana about it. We go deeper. Shout out to Joe. The one I'm on Facebook. Hey guys, you're missing out. You are missing out. Ni gudo poster, recent as a poster ka WhatsApp, Facebook, whatever. Ni vele elema. Ni deni support is Venda. Ni Venda wa bora. Anna peto is mtu abeni. Bring them to the shows. Number chair or the News Cafe for another event. The guys, come on, support yo.
How are you doing? Ndishafunga manda ndikotakala wona mumala wa lipstick unako complementana na outfit zote zonaka zote on top.
Ndoliwa nga manda.
Ukudipha ali na msenga usiku wa comedy night ndobona ko research to mapyapyala.
Ndotakala nga manda show yo ikotakaza nga manda wo kotakaza nga manda.
Otakadziswa ngani?
Bundu but what actually
wo Joe owabona hani
yo wo Joe ndo richenda ndadikotodala nga chienda zwabudi kuti
alo thoma ko wabona live
lalo thoma ndiko baona live
ti babuye futhi
bakoteto babuya
back by popular demand and so did go amanda ne. It's the comedy night at the 210 Hotel here. It is the place to be, and I am sandwiched by two beautiful ladies. The queen, of course, of the Miss Royal Heritage Beauty Pageant, and the second princess. Ladies, are you having a good time? Are you having a joy? Are you having a good laugh?
I am having a great time. I am loving the comedians. I loved Bojo, like he was great, and Bundu, oh my God, the best.
Was it the first time you seeing Bojo live?
It it was the first time, so I really went groupie on him on some screaming and stuff.
Who has been the funniest person for you tonight?
The funniest person was Joe. Obvious, I never expected him to be on stage today. So, I was so excited. I don't even know how to show it. So, but I was excited. That's all I can say.
He was rocking the crowd. Do you think we need more of that here in Venda, saying that it's a new thing?
Not really, because what I love about this show, they are uplifting the upcoming comedians, especially here in Venda. So, yeah.
Wonderful. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful night.
Thank you, same to you.
Hey, yo, mic check 1 2 1 2. It's a masar up in here. Tongo then a moot. The blum on my gang of us doing the wood. Red bet, fat cat, mic check 1 2 1 3 4 5. Sting like a fucking beehive. Rocking up in this can on cameras. Summer side when it's ever always clever. Rika TV, ya Venda, now Wenda, come mic. It's summer side when it's 7 always so nice. I love everybody. What the Nazi dykes. I'm talking about lesbians, homosexuals. Everybody come through. We love you, Venda. And I'm not slender, I'm a fat cat, yo.
Exe. Hot one, bro. Thanks.
And baby, can I prophesy? Oh, baby, can I prophesy? I will not go deeper, Pastor. Oh, baby, can I prophesy? Oh, go deeper, Pastor. Oh, baby, there's something that is coming. When I
India, it's what isn't simple. Hopela ko kereke ya ma India. Motho no fihla ka. Mudzimo se ka mrefutifanyisa fezi alifani. Ndijoku ndo zamonya ngolingedzo ri ferishinga hapa shangoni riyaringa atringa. Una mapato yana aboro ni magonjo. Una mapato yana amsi kwa mabondi yori arali lili pato la mfuwa muna ngala nne ndiko kwambisa bashi fazore achi kwambisa bangasemu seze kope inara wana mkwanzo.